AI is turning the speaking world upside down. If you're a professional speaker, you know things that worked before ain't working anymore. If you're a coach, author, or consultant, let's show you the way. Question. Have you ever been sitting in an audience, listening to a speaker, and started thinking,
they're paying them for this?
Seriously?
Who hired this guy?
what did they do? How did they get that booking? Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. The industry is changing more rapidly than ever. If you keep doing what you've been doing, you're gonna keep getting less. If you are driving down the Las Vegas Strip, the first thing you'd notice is the abundance of lights and signs. What you wouldn't notice is the number of meetings and conventions that were happening every single day. In Las Vegas alone, there's nearly 24,000 conventions and meetings every year. And that's just Vegas. If you look around the country, every year there are 270,000 conventions and conferences. Many of these need experts. They need you. If you want more bookings at higher fees, you need a new perspective. You need a process that works, and you need to execute. Look, if I'm being honest, back in the 90s when I was starting my business, I tried to figure it out myself. The one thing that helped the most was getting insights from experts who are out there doing it. This is your opportunity. Find those mentors, find those experts, get those insights that help you change everything. Don't DIY it. AI's changing everything. What are the very best doing and how? When you DIY something, you're gonna be frustrated, waste time, energy, effort, and money. Join us for Game Changers 2026. This is about the process, the perspective, and executing at the event. If you're anything like me, you go to a seminar or workshop for a few days and you leave with a list of things to do. That's not this event. You're gonna accomplish, you're gonna make progress at the event. We're changing things up. It's time to turn things upside down. Turn your business upside down. Game changers. This year, it's not about what works. It's even more than what works now. It's about what works for you, your business, your strategy, your bookings. So let's turn things upside down. That's what Game Changers 2026 is all about. Giving you a new perspective, a process that works, and execute at the event. We're redesigning Game Changers for you. Join me and my team of experts to help you get more bookings, higher fees. You're gonna leave with a list of your top 100, those prospects that you not only learned who they are, but how to reach out to them at the event. This is gonna be about execution. Get the insights of the whole team on what works now. Join us. Turn it upside down. So if you're looking for a sign that you need to be at this event, here's your sign.